Hi, and welcome to Cognitos. In today's video, we're going to show a very common process that involves matching information from documents and emails and Excel with systems of record and accounts within things like SFDC. Let's take a look. So first, we'll see that we have a process here that says we want to find an opportunity name within an email body. We want to look at the document that's actually attached to that opportunity and get its last amount. And then we later want to check and see that if the amount is the same on the PO as it is within SFDC, then we want to change the opportunity in SFDC to close one. We want to attach that document for storage in the opportunity, and then we want to submit it for approval. You could also build in logic saying that if it is not, then you want it rerouted back to the user or the email. Here, let's take a quick look at the email itself. We'll notice we have something simple saying, hey, Cognitos, we just won the Gene Point opportunity, and we have a demo PO. In the demo, you see that very common PO structure, and you will find here the opportunity amount that we're interested in. But Cognitos can easily call any of this information simply by writing in English what information you wish to gather. If we go into Salesforce, we'll see that we have an opportunity called Gene Point Page. It is currently not in closed one. There are currently no PDFs attached in the notes, and there are no existing approvals down here. Here we have a process that was kicked off a few minutes ago. Cognitos received an email with that same file we were looking at. You'll notice it has already read that email. We do this using both NLP, large language models, and OCR at times to pull out the information that we need. However, it has encountered an exception. That exception is that in our Salesforce, we actually have multiple opportunities with the name Gene Point. So this is an exception of missing information. It just says Gene Point in the email. Here, though, you'll notice that with conversational exception handling by Cognitos, it has actually made it easy for me as a business user to handle this exception. We use generative AI to create English in this exception to make it easy for me to understand. And it's actually just giving us logic to pick out which opportunity is best. This was not created ahead of time using if-then logic. You saw the code all in English earlier. So let's pick the opportunity we want. We will hit submit. From there, Cognitos will go and start working to work its way through each of these steps. Each of these steps is available in English, so should any sort of problem occur, you can easily go back later. We'll notice we have the amount here. We have the correct opportunity name. It is working its way step by step through, and now that it is done, we can go in, go back to our opportunity, refresh it, and in fact, we will see the opportunity is now in closed one. Because it is in closed one and because it matched, we uploaded that PDF for records. And now we have created a new approval that we have submitted. So this is a great use case for any sort of situation where you need to match documentation with systems of record, and it only takes about 10 lines in English to do so.